Hey guys, Chris here with DIY E65 E66.com. I'm giving you a quick video here, and I got my front engine cover off over here, and I'm going to be looking at the water pump here. If you want to know how to get this far in the project, please watch my thermostat video. I replaced the thermostat here, and that shows you how to remove the screws, lift that up, watching the wire harness, undoing the sensor here. But let's focus in right now. Right behind the bilt here, let's go back right here, right down there where those bolts are. There's bolt number 1 and 2 right where my finger are, and there's several bolts there, but again, so here's where your engine cover would be here, and then right behind the thermostat here, right down there is your water pump. And some people, you might be able to diagnose this yourself. So with a bad water pump, what happened in one of my previous cars and what other people are talking about on the forums is your car will all of a sudden overheat. You'll be driving, the sensors will come on, engine hot, engine, very hot, stop driving, and then your car will just shut down. And that's a good thing, because you drive too long, you'll crack a block or something crazy. So anyway, diagnose that is you probably won't have any antifreeze, any coolant in your system. It'll be drained completely. You'll probably, if you get this far, if you get your car back to your garage and you take this off, you'll probably see there's a lot of wet areas right through here. And what you want to look for is probably what's happening is your water pump's going, which means your gasket, there's the bearing went bad, or the gasket went on you and you're starting to shoot just sprays of coolant through the little gasket part, which is right where my fingernail is, right there, that little line right there. And that happened in my old Cadillac, and I'm not going to go through a whole tutorial how to fix that, because I do need to replace that, but I don't have the new water pump with me right now, and so you would have to remove this area to get back into here. I probably should have did it when I did the thermostat, but I'm not having any play in it, and play in it means you can kind of grab this, and because this is attached to the front of it, wiggle it around, see if you get any play, get in there with your fingers and kind of play with the bolts, see if there's any little cracks, as in play, I mean, where you can kind of wiggle. You definitely don't want to have any wiggle room in that. So that is your water pump, and that's a diagnostic of a bad water pump. You'll have, like I said again, sprays of coolant down here, up here, and you won't be able to see it if you raise the hood, because this engine covers, it's covering right on top, so it could be spraying the bottom of it. So again, if your water pump was bad on you and the car is running like it is now, with this off, you would see coolant shooting out now once the pressure is built up, and it wouldn't take very long. And then you will not have, you'll be drained of that. So that means your water pump's going on you. You need to get that replaced ASAP. And so that's it, guys. Hope that helps to help you with water pump problems. And if you have any comments or tips or tricks on fixing it yourself, if you've done it before, please leave them below so we can all help each other out. You guys have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for more great videos. Bye-bye.